What's up guys, welcome to another episode of cool Samsung Galaxy watch faces which are available for free on Galaxy Store, which you should consider trying in 2021. Now before we begin, if you're new here and if you love contents on Samsung Galaxy watches, Galaxy phones and Android applications, do consider smashing that subscribe button and be a part of Apex community. And if you like the video, do smash that like button as well, that'll encourage me a lot. Now let's get rolling. The first free watch face on the list is called Zerobe Honeycomb, and as the name suggests, this is a honeycomb design which consists of these hexagons, inside of which we have all these shortcuts which will take you to the corresponding application. We have got 7 shortcuts on offer for Samsung Health, Settings, Weather, Music Player, Phone, Messages as well as Email. We also get a customizable shortcut at 12 o'clock position. You can just double tap to open it and single tap to select an application, and again single tap to open the application. We have the digital time display at the center, steps count, calorie count, battery information and distance covered at the bottom half of the watch face. You can just double tap at the center to change the colors of the borders of these hexagon, which looks beautiful. I'm really surprised to see such a gem of a watch face available for free on Galaxy Store. I think you guys should go ahead and download this and try it out and let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section below. This is the always on display mode for this watch face. The next watch face on the list is KD Device, and this is from KD Watch Faces, who is known for designing some beautiful watch faces with some pitch black background and some beautiful color combinations. We have got a huge rectangle sitting right at the center, inside which we will see the digital time display, as well as there is a small analog clock which is very nicely designed and it looks just beautiful. Here on this watch face we have got shortcuts for Samsung Health, Messages, Phone, Find My Phone, Music, Alarm, Weather and Calendar. But some of these shortcuts were not functioning well. Perhaps it could be on my particular watch. You guys try it out and let me know. To change the colors, you just have to double tap on this analog clock. We've got some beautiful gradient color combinations on offer and you are going to love it. As far as the information is concerned, we can see current date, day and month along with the year available on the top of the watch face, and there is battery information as well. Then we have got all the health related information in the bottom half of the watch face. And this is how the always on display looks on this particular watch face. Now let's move on to the next one. This is from Regatta Watch Faces, and the watch face name is Regatta Ultra Digital. This dial offers some unique and modern design elements which displays the information like current date and month. We've got steps counter and goal indicator. We have battery indicator, mood distance, floors count, as well as that beautiful digital time display at the center. We've got 4 shortcuts here. We've got shortcuts for steps, heart rate, alarm and calendar. You can double tap at 3 o'clock position to change the colors. We've got very minimal color elements here, but they just look beautiful on this dial. As you can see here, the color changes in some parts of the watch face. This has a beautiful always on display. It retains almost all the design elements and information in black and white. Now moving on to the fourth one, we have a very simple digital watch face here which offers a huge digital time display right at the center, and you can just double tap to change the color elements here. We've got some solid colors as well as some gradient color options available. Then we have got a very few shortcuts here. With a single tap you can access calendar, battery information and step counter. This is definitely a very simple watch face you should consider trying. If you are someone who loves this big bold digital time display, then you should consider trying this out. Now the last one. So this is a beautiful analog watch face called Wave, and this offers a nice animated background on the dial. Anybody is going to fall in love with such a nice animation on a watch face. There is some sort of a water wave animation going on in the background, on which we have got this ticking seconds hand along with hour and minutes hand. If you want to see some information on this dial, you can just double tap on the edge of the watch face to change the markers until you get to this particular display, wherein you get to see current date, day and month, battery information, steps counter, distance covered, heart rate as well as steps climbed. So all these information are made available on this dial, and they are designed really well on the bezel of the display. I'm sure you wouldn't have expected this particular display on this dial. Just go on double tapping on the bezel, you will get to that information display. And the rest of the indexes or markers are designed really well, and they really suit on this particular dial. We also get 3 shortcuts here. You can just double tap at 11 o'clock position to choose an application, which means this is a customizable app shortcut. You can select any application you want. Then you can just double tap at 7 o'clock position to access Yes Health. Another double tap at the center of the watch face will take you to recently used applications. As far as the always on display is concerned, the animation shuts off, retaining the wave image on the background as well as index and our hands. Alright, now we have come to an end of best free watch faces available on Galaxy Store for Samsung Galaxy watches. You guys let me know which watch face you like the most. Do go ahead and leave a comment. Along with that, a sub and a like for the video would be really great. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.